Good morning, students. As you can see, this is the test paper 2. So let's solve the paper. Question number 1 is the which of the following is not unitary features of the government? You can see the four options are there: single constitution, flexibility of the constitution, single citizenship, and dual citizenship. So, what is the correct answer? Your option number 4 is the correct answer. Now, question number 2, you can see. Yes. It's a Lok Sabha can be dissolved. Yes. Rajya Sabha, it cannot be dissolved. So can be dissolved, can be impeached or permanent house. So the option number 2 is the correct answer, that Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha is the permanent house. Question number 3. The states are represented in the Rajya Sabha on the basis of their GDP, no, taxes, area, population. Population is the correct answer. Now come to the question number one. Question we left. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a constituent of the Indian Parliament? So you know the answer. The president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. It makes the Indian Parliament, and Supreme Court. It's an odd one. So this is the correct answer. Come to the next one. Question number 5. The member of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people of India, indirectly nominated by no. It's the member of Lok Sabha, they are directly elected by the people of India. Now, question number 6. A motion of no confidence against the government can be introduced in only in Lok Sabha. Okay, and it is introduced by the, in the previous test paper we have seen, it is introduced by the opposition party. What is the maximum gap allowed between the two sessions of parliament? This is the 6 months. 6 months will be the maximum gap. Okay, I hope I'm clear, and you will be able to understand the answer. Okay, these are the your next examination, which is based on the MCQs. Which of the following is not the electoral powers of the member of Rajya Sabha? Okay. Election of president, yes. Election of vice president, yes. Election of deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha, yes. Election of prime minister. So, this is the correct answer, that this is not the power. Okay. Who become the prime minister, PM? The party, the who's having the majority. Okay. The leader of the majority party who become the PM of country. Complete the following analogy. Lok Sabha dash Rajya Sabha Council of State. It's if Rajya Sabha is known as a Council of States, then Lok Sabha is known as House of the People. Okay. Next question. A deputation to the Viceroy Lord Minto with a view of secure more political rights for Muslims was led by who? You can see the four names: Aga Khan, Nawab Salimullah, Shaukat Ali. So the correct answer is Aga Khan. Did you remember I have taught you what happened? Aga Khan was the person who was trying to unite the Muslims, and he was the person who met with the viceroy to secure more political rights. Okay, in 1905 he started his work after the Bengal partition of Bengal. Okay, when Karjan was on a move, when Karjan was visiting the districts and areas, by the time Aga Khan met with the Karjan, and after that in 1909 he met with Minto. Okay, so the question is asked. Next question, question number 11. The dispute between the two wings of the Congress led to a split in 1907. Which of the following was not an issue? Swadeshi, of course, it was an issue. Swaraj, it was an issue. Indian national education was an issue, but Hindu-Muslim unity was not an issue by the time. So this will be the correct answer. Okay, question number 11. Now, question number 12, you can see, children. Which of the following reforms was a result of the effort of early nationalists? It was the result of the early nationalist reforms, okay, made by the reforms. withdrawal of the partition of Bengal, simultaneous ICS exams in India and England, appointment of Lord Curzon as a viceroy, Irish Home Rule agitation. No. So the answer is withdrawal of the partition of Bengal. Okay. ये इनके प्रयास से अर्ली नेशनलिस्ट ने जो प्रयास किया था उसके प्रयास के वजह से इस पार्टीशन को वापस ले लिया गया था 1911 में. अंडरस्टैंड. Now complete the following analogy. सूरत स्प्लिट, मॉडरेट्स एंड असर्टिव नेशनलिस्ट. सूरत स्प्लिट जो है वो किससे कनेक्टेड है? मॉडरेट एंड असर्टिव नेशनलिस्ट है ना. कांग्रेस में जो असर्टिव लीडर्स थे और मॉडरेट्स थे उनके बीच जो स्प्लिट, उनके बीच जो उनके बीच डिफरेंसेस आ गए थे वो सूरत स्प्लिट में शो हुआ. एंड त्रिपुरी स्प्लिट जो है किससे कनेक्टेड है? गांधी जी एंड सुभाष चंद्र बोस से कनेक्टेड है. Now question number 14, you can see children that the Congress adopted the Quit India Movement resolution after the arrival of which commission or which mission? Simon Commission. It came in 1928. Cabinet. It came in 1946. And Cripps Mission. It came in 1942. Okay. So Quit India Movement. It was also happened in 1942. है ना. 8 August 1942 में. So this will be the answer. Question number 2. Option number 2 will be the answer. Which is not true about Lucknow session in Congress in 1916. Moderate and assertive nationalists resolved their differences in this session. This is absolutely true. The Congress and the Muslim League signed Lucknow Pact after the session. This is absolutely true. B.G. Tilak and Annie Besant emerged as an important figure of the Congress party. This is also true. This session demanded dominion states for India. This is not correct. So this will be the answer. The root of the uprising of 1857 lay in. What was the root? Root is asking, what was the reason? Root means what was the reason for this revolt in 1857? Blatantly discriminatory policies. This is correct. Exploitative land revenue policy, correct. The policy of grease cartes, this is correct. All of above. So the answer will be all of the above. Which of the following was not stressed by Mahatma Gandhi while exhorting the people to join the Quit India movement in 1942? What was not stressed? है ना? Forget the differences between the Hindu and the Muslim and think of yourself as an Indian only. It is correct. Our quarrel is not with the British people. We fight their imperialism and we must purge ourselves of hatred. This is also correct. Feel from today that you are a free man and not a dependent. Do or die. Either free India or die in the attempt. This was also correct. Freedom of India is an end and will purify all means employed to achieve it. No, this was not the correct. This is not the correct option. Otherwise, all three options are correct according to question. Name the Mughal emperor occupying the throne of Delhi when the uprising of 1857 took place. So it was Bahadur Shah Zafar. Okay. He became very old, but he occupied the Delhi throne. Question number 19. Arrange the following events in a correct sequence with reference to the Indian freedom struggle. Partition of Bengal, what happened? When happened? It happened in 1905. Surat split, it happened 1907. Launch of non-cooperation, it happened 1920. Passing of Rowlatt Act, it happened 1970. Now you can arrange the 1, 2, 4 and 3. So we have to see the options. Yes, options are 1, 2, 4 and 3. So the option number 4 will be correct answer. Now see, next question. Which two leaders were instrumental in the passage of the Lucknow Pact? So the two leaders was, who was the two leaders? Lala Lajpat Rai and Annie Besant. This is the correct answer. Option number 2. Now, Which of the following is true about residuary power of the parliament? Residuary powers are mentioned in the union list in the are not mentioned in the union, state and concurrent. This is correct. They are vested in the parliament, which can make laws on the subjects not mentioned in the on these three lists. This is also correct. So the option 1 and 2 both. This will be the correct answer. Question number 21. Question number 22. If a president does not agree with an ordinary bill, what happened to the bill? The bill is sent back to the House of Parliament for reconsideration. Option number 1 is the correct answer. No need to go through the another option, but you may go through the matter decided by no. The bill is sent back to the Lok Sabha for no. The bill is sent back to the Rajya Sabha for no. The bill is sent back to the houses of parliament for recon. Whatever the houses, if you will see, then this is also correct. This is also correct, but here it's not mentioned. The bill is sent back to the houses of the parliament for reconsideration. Option number 1 will be the correct. Next question: the parliament can make laws on the subject in the state list is the following cases. When the Rajya Sabha passes a resolution by two-third majority that a subject in the state list has assumed national importance. Yes, it's correct. If Rajya Sabha will take a resolution by two-third members, by two-third majority, then Parliament will be able to make the law on that subject. When there is a proclamation of emergency is made by the president, this is also correct. Okay. Now, if the legislature of two or more states resolve that it shall be lawful for parliament to make laws with respect of any subject in the state list, this is also correct. So the option 1, 2, 3. Fine. Question number 23. Option 1, 2, 3. All three options are correct. Now, question number 24. Which of the following statements are correct? Kheda Satyagraha was Gandhiji experiment with Satyagraha. This is correct. Kheda Satyagraha, it happened in 1918, I think. Yes, 1917. Champaran one in Bihar and Kheda in Gujarat one 1918, just after 1 year. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the gift of the Kheda Satyagraha in the country. This is also correct. After Kheda Satyagraha, people come to know about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The government issued secret instruction to recovering the revenue from the fees. No, this is not correct. So your answers will be 1 and 2. You can see the option. Option number 2, it's a 1 and 2 only. Come to the next question, children. I hope you will be understand. Please send me the messages so that I will come to know in the comment box section that yes, you are able to understand and what I need to improve. Okay, while making a video, what I have to do, you can send me a text also. Question number 25. From the given list, identify which of the following was not a factor leading to the growth of nationalism. So here are the four options: economic exploitation, repressive colonial policies, socio-religious reforms movement, and population growth. So the answer will be option number 4. Population growth cannot be a factor leading to the nationalism. Now question number 26. Choose the correct option to match the following. Students, see how to do this kind of question. Victoria, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Lakshmi Bai, Lord Canning. So I think you are very sure about Rani Lakshmi Bai. The answer will be Jhansi. So here your question number C and your option number 1. You come to C and you find out the option. So you can see that only this one and only this one correct. So we will go to only these two option, option number 2 and option number 4, not all the. Now you find out the another exact answer that you are very confirm. It's a Begum Hazrat Mahal, you know, it's Lucknow. She was the queen of Lucknow, Awadh. So option number B, and here it's a 4. So you come back to the B. Now you find out 4. So you can see it's a 3-1 and it's a 4-1. So here you confirmed like this. You confirmed that these two answers are absolutely correct. So your answer will be option number 4. In this way, we are finding out this kind of question. Understand, this is the best way to find out where you are very sure. You try to chase from that only. Now see the another option A3. Queen Victoria, of course, Empress of India, and D1, D2. Canning, Viceroy of India. This is the correct answer. Question number 4. Now come to the passage one question. Question number 27. The Bengalis like to think of themselves as a nation. If we if we if we are weak enough to yell to their clamor now, we shall not be able to dismember or reduce Bengal again. And you will be coming and you will cementing and solidifying on the eastern flank of India a force almost formidable and certain to be an increasing trouble in the future. So this is said by Lord Curzon, you can see. So questions on the basis of this paragraph. Question is, what is the question? It's not visible to me. Yeah. What measure did Lord Curzon take to reduce to influence of Bengal? You know the answer is partition of Bengal. Option number 1 is correct. What justification did Lord Curzon give to the Indians for this measure? Bengal was too big to be efficiently administered by a single provisional government. This is the correct answer. You can go through the other options also. It would cause no, it would be placed Bengalis under two, and no, it would lead a division. No. So this is the correct answer. Now question number C. Name the two areas into which Bengal was divided. Western, Eastern. Option number 3. Bengal, Western District, Bihar and Odisha, one, and Eastern Bengal and Assam, another. So option number 3 and 4 here. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Come to the, you can see this picture, Lal Bal Pal, and the question is also like that. Identify the trio in the picture. Lal Bal Pal. What is the full form of Lal Bal Pal? It's option number 4. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal. In other options, names are not correct. Name the group in the Congress to which they belonged. They belong to moderate, no. Swarajist, no. Forward nationalist, no. They belong to the assertive nationalist. What was the main objective of these leaders? Immediate attainment of Swaraj, complete independence. It was their immediate objective. This is the correct answer, children. And I hope you will practice, revise the things. More videos I will be bringing for you. And please send me the comments so that I will come to know about the videos quality and all. Thank you so much, children. Jai Hind.